Hey guys, what's going on? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here. Just got to the Goodwill, and we're gonna see what we can do in here in 30 minutes. I always check out the movies. I always cruise this section just to see if there's something new with tags. You know I love my hats and t-shirts. Let's see what we got. Boise State. Nikki, that's one you'd like. Hey, here's a Hurricanes one, might not be bad. A little dirty. I'll think about it. Who that is? George? No? I don't know who that is. Maybe. I see something new with tags here. Nike new with tags. That's kind of cool. I like it, but I'm gonna leave it. Not vintage or anything. Cool. That is minor league baseball, probably. It's a small size. That's 7. Otherwise, I might grab it. Another minor league team, probably 7 again. 7 and an 8. Still a little small. Not real. Okay, since we are going fast, guys, and look, we got in here at 5 after. It's now 20 after. So 15 minutes in, we're halfway through, haven't found much. We're gonna look for the stitch. We're looking for single stitch. See this? Double stitch. Okay, we don't want that. You can see it better on this one. Double stitch, that's new. What we want is a single, like like that one, but I think that's a new one actually. Yeah, I think that's a newer one. Some companies do use this still for the look. Most of them don't. So this is a way you can scan quickly. Just look right here. Here you go. vintage t-shirt because it's older, single stitch. Well, let's see what it is. It is just an old pocket tee, Fruit of the Loom, and it's a medium, but I'm gonna grab it. Oh, there we go. There it is again. The North Fork Cabin Sleigh Ride Dinner. You know what? This is not one we're gonna get, but 1989. Made in the USA. Single stitch. Method works, guys. It's kind of cool. Umbrella stand. Different. Don't really want any big items here, but can't help it. Look at, we got best of Tri-Bond. Tri-Bond all new. Tri-Bond all new. Clearly a popular game. Okay, 30 minutes. Let's see what we got. 30 minutes. We spent not quite 14 bucks. We didn't get rich on this trip. That happens. But that is a loud motorcycle. Yeah, that happens. I mean, not every trip is a home run, and it'd be ridiculous if every trip I showed you was a home run. But we made money. Let me show you what we picked up. Okay, so you saw some of these. You didn't see this. This was actually in the case. Got this Crash Bandicoot. That is a good title to keep an eye out for. Also, PlayStation games. The black label, Greatest Hits is what this one is. It's a little all over the place on this one, but it's in really good condition. It's not all scratched up. It's sold for as little as 15, but as much as like 25, 28. So, I mean, if we split the difference, I think we can assume we'll get 20 bucks for this game. We will be in the profit from this game alone, and then everything else is going to be just gravy on top. So this is what put us over the top. That's not bad. And this will be sold before you ever see this video, because we're a couple weeks down the road on this video, I think, from when I'm filming this. These sell ridiculously fast. So this is already sold. This is as well. Twice as many sold as listed, even used. They don't sell for much. They sell for about 10, 12 bucks, probably 10 bucks. But they sell all the time. So I'm not going to leave it there because that's easy money. So there's those. This is probably, I don't know how long this will last. It's in nice shape. It's a New Era hat, Miami Hurricanes. It's really, really nice. I would guess it's a $15 or $20 hat, but I don't know. Haven't looked it up yet. Nice snapback. If it's still around, if you're interested, holler. If you're a Canes fan. But yeah, I think this is a really cool hat. This one here, you saw me pick this up, vintage t-shirt, and you might have been wondering why. You know, I mean, literally, it's just a blank shirt. It's just a red blank, and it's a little bit of a tough size. It's a medium. I don't love picking up mediums, but it's very clean. It's just a red Hanes pocket tee. But you know what? Vintage single stitch red Hanes tee. This is going to sell for 10 to 15 bucks plus shipping, and it'll sell relatively quickly. I mean, medium is going to make it slower, but in general, they do sell well. This, I don't actually know what it's worth, but it is a Nike beanie, It's going to get cold at some point here in the fall, and this is new with tags. I mean, it retailed for 28, so I would guess we can get 20 bucks for it, right? Really very nice hat. If I don't keep it, we'll sell this thing off probably without too much trouble as it gets a little bit colder. Let me show you what it's all been sitting on. Okay, and we didn't get a bag because I carried it all out on my brand new Captain America shield. This is not something I'm going to try and sell. It actually has somewhere on it, there's actually a little bit of damage. There's a crack. I don't know where it is. There's a crack on the edge, but you've seen him in the chat, Farmer Mark. He convinced me that this would be a good wall hanger, and I think he's probably right. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but this is going to hang somewhere on the wall, so you may have already seen it in some videos. I'm not sure, but this is probably going to stay with me. So there you go. Like I said, not every trip is a home run, but I mean, honestly, think about it. We went in there, we spent 30 minutes. I spent 14 bucks. Actually, I'm going to keep the one thing, which I think is $1.99. So we spent 12 bucks on stuff to sell on eBay, and we're going to make ballpark profit between 50 and 60 bucks. Not bad for a half hour of work, right? And I mean, of course, we do have to list it, but everything there is going to take minutes to list. So let's say we're 45 minutes in and we made 60 bucks per hour. That's not bad. Thanks for stopping in, guys. Very quick one today, but I appreciate it. If you don't mind, hit the thumbs up on your way out. I would sure appreciate that. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the bell. That'll let you know when we put new stuff up. We try to put out content 3-4 times a week, maybe 5, and so we do try to put out a lot of stuff for you. And if this is the kind of stuff you like, well, this is the place for you to be. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I don't know what I'm saying. It's hot. I gotta go put a hat on. We'll see you guys.